Yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Welcome all the new subscribers from, that silly Reddit post I did. But if you're watching this, welcome. Just kidding. I'm sure all of you want to get in on this drawing with me here, but first and foremost, I'm sure you guys want to see the thumbs. Yeah, I don't know. They're definitely long, but some of you guys are going nuts over it. I mean, the rest of my hand's big too, so hard to say, but today we'll be drawing with our thumbs, actually. Because, how else do you hold the pencil, right? Either way, I haven't posted in a while, so thank you to those who've been patient. And welcome to those who are new. We'll do a pretty easy one here today. Just kind of Monday morning. We want to get our brain primed for the week, for the day. So we're going to have, a little coloring therapy this morning. I apologize if that is loud. There is a massive garbage truck just outside of my room here. On the street, of course. Some of your guys' comments had me in tears over this weekend. There was some gold in there. I was laughing. And some of you who are concerned, I appreciate that and duly noted. I bet some of you are gonna still be asking for proof of the thumb. I mean, other than a bit of photo angles, I don't think there's many tricks here. I truly just have long thumbs. Still appreciate all you guys subscribing though. I hope you stick around for the actual art. You can join me in some of this coloring therapy if you want. Or if you're just here for hype, that's all good too. We're all in it together anyways. Yes, this is a normal size of paper. 9 by 12 pretty much. So yeah. This very quick drawing here. We're almost done, but we still got it out. The brain always appreciates it. It's not always about how long you do something, it's how consistently you do it for. And just showing up sometimes is the most important thing that you could do. I would argue it's almost the most important thing, because once you show up, through there you'll figure out the path, and you'll be able to succeed. Otherwise, if you don't show up, you'll just be waiting and wondering what's next. So keep showing up, keep working on your practice, keep getting better. With that, I hope you have a blessed day.